Hello and welcome to this short video about document attachment functionality in Microsoft Dynamics GP. DocAttach is a pretty useful functionality that allows users to attach all sorts of documents to master records and transactional records in Dynamics. Let's see how it works. Under the Administration Company Setup, there's a Document Attachment Setup window. This particular window allows you to control all the key aspects of how the functionality works, including whether it's on or off, what the maximum file size is going to be allowed, and whether you want to allow deletion of already attached documents with a password. It also allows you to create up to 5 attributes that can be used to catalog each attachment further for reporting later. Last but not least, you can allow to send attachments in email, as we're going to see in a bit. Once that's set up, I'm going to go ahead and pull up a sales document that's already created in the system. And I'm going to go ahead and attach some documents to it. You can access document attachment via the attach button on the ribbon, or you can also attach it by the note window, where you also have this attachment click button, as we called it. Let's go ahead and use the big button here in the ribbon. And as you can see, that pulls up the document attachment management window. This window will allow you to do everything you need to do with attachments for this particular document. You can see the type of document and document number listed here. I'm going to go ahead and click on attach. And I'm going to attach 2 different documents here. One of them is an Excel sheet and the other one is a PDF document. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Excel sheet first. As you can see, it adds the file name and other fields there. I'm going to expand the line and I'm going to show you the attachment properties button, where you can actually further categorize this particular attachment. I'm going to say this is a questionnaire. I'm going to say it's an Excel file and department sales. You can put whatever you want in there. This is just for example purposes. You can also put a longer description here. I'm going to say that this is a questionnaire for scoping requirements for RecLogic routing. I'm going to go ahead and attach another document here, which is the RecLogic brochure. And again, I'm going to put some specifications here. I'm going to say this is a brochure, and this is going to be PDF, and department's going to be sales. I will also put a little bit of description here. And I'm going to go ahead and exit this window. But before I do that, I want to show you that we can preview any of these documents. So if I wanted to preview the Excel document and I click preview, it will actually open in Excel. If it's a PDF, it'll open in a PDF reader, and so on. You can also put, you can also scan documents if you had a Twain compatible scanning device, which I don't right now. But you can scan documents directly into this window as well. So once you OK that, you'll see that the attachment button looks like a piece of paper now with a clip, which means that there are attachments in there. These attachments are going to be living with the document forever. You can actually also view these attachments on the inquiry windows that belong to the particular transaction record, in this case, the sales transaction entry window. Also, as I mentioned before, in particular for the sales transaction documents, you can actually specify if you want to send attachments together in Excel when you have the email functionality turned on and configured. So as you can see, I can send this document by email, and I can also select which of the attachments I want to send together with the invoice via email. So what's going to happen is that depending on how it's configured, the email is going to send an attachment that's going to be the invoice itself, and then it's also going to attach the 2 documents that I'm specifying here. If I don't only want to send one, say the PDF and not the questionnaire, I could just unclick here and so on. And as you can see, this is a pretty nifty functionality. But before I leave, I want to show you how you see attachments that are already attached, and how do you keep trace of your cataloging. So I've created a small smart list, a very simple smart list here, that I'm calling attachments. And this smart list will actually show you all the documents that have attachments in the system, the file names, the description we put in there, and also my attributes if I wanted to. And of course I can name these attributes whatever you want on the smart list. So as you can see, pretty useful functionality. I hope you liked the video. Visit our YouTube channel for Icon SRL, and or just drop by our www.iconsa.net or www.iconvc.net websites. Thank you very much. See you soon.